Hello everyone and welcome to another simple tutorial video on my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can give access to your Google file to your friends. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Google Drive, and here you can see all the uploaded files on my Google Drive. To share this file with your friends, just click those three dots beside the file. Just click here and you can see the option share. Just click that option, and here all you have to do is type the person's email ID. I'm going to type one of my friend's email ID. Just click here, and now you can send this the link of this file to your friends via email. But also you can change the option that you want to give the access to your friends. Like there are three options, like viewer that if you select the viewer option, the only thing that your friends can do is just view that file. If you just select the commenter option, you can view and also comment on this file. But if you select the editor option, the friends will your friends will get the whole access to edit and also delete that video. So this is the three way that you can share a video with your friends. And after that, just click the share option, and there the drive will send an email with the attached link that your friend can access the file with. So in this way you can give any folder access to your friends via this link. And that is it for today's video. I hope this video helps you in any way, and I will see you guys next one.